Well, I'm out here in the garden and I'm going to plant some zipper cream peas for the fall. These should do real well. Southern peas like black eyes, purple hulls, cream, zippers, or crowders, they all do well in the heat. They love the heat. You might have to get them a little water, but they do love the heat. So, I'm going to plant these. I've got what I believe is little. I believe it's called an Earthway little planter, and it's done a pretty good job for me for several years. I've had it probably 15-20 years. If Hoss Tools wants to send me one of their planters, I'll try it out, but as of right now, this is what I have, and we're gonna try it, and it's done pretty good. I've already planted a couple of rows and ran out of peas on the second row. We're gonna load it back up, plant some peas. I'll show you. So once you load the seeds in here, then you got different plates that you put on it with different spacing. You know, each one, some of them are real tight spacing for some real fine seeds, real small seeds. As the front wheel turns, it turns that plate, and the plate picks up a seed. It goes down and picks up a seed and drops it down that little chute on the back, which is that right there. Now you set the chute, most of you know about these planters, but you set the chute at whatever depth you want. Here's the wing nut to set that. The chain comes behind it like that and covers up the seed, and then the back wheel packs the seed down. You need the seed to have good contact with the earth. So this has worked out real well for me, and that's what we'll be using to plant the peas. Well, planted the peas. 3 days later, they started to emerge. 1 week later, it looks like that. I need to do a little cultivating in between the rows, but that's not bad. They're about 4 or 5 inches tall, some of them. And yes, I did water. I planted peas on a day that it was probably 101 or 2, and so it was hot. Peas just loved that hot weather. And I've got a couple of bare spots. It's probably my fault. It's where I had some corn stalk rubble, and the seeder just didn't pick it up, or it stopped the front wheel from turning probably. So I need to come back in here maybe and fill in some of these dead spots. That's one reason I want to get these corn stalks out of here. Some of you said leave them, they do real great. Well, that's fine, except you know, sometimes it's kind of hard to plant. Anyway, so they came up looking good. I will give you some progress. These are fall peas now. A lot of people don't know that you can do a fall garden in the South, and sometimes the fall garden is better than the spring garden. So peas look good. These are again zipper cream peas, and they're 4 or 5 inches tall. Did a good job. All right, I'll show you what happens from here on out. But for now, we're gone.